Guys, welcome back to my channel. So to start, you are gonna need some baking powder, and here I have a teaspoonful of baking powder. You're also gonna need some toothpaste, and here I have my Colgate toothpaste. So I'm gonna come in with a little bit of my toothpaste. This is about a teaspoonful. I'm just gonna mix everything up. I realize it's too thick, so I'm just gonna come in with just a little bit of water to lighten it up. So here we are, and the thickness is perfect. Now I'm gonna start from an already washed face. I did wash my face with soap. Now I'm gonna come in with a hot towel and put it on the place that I'm gonna work, and that is around my nose area and around my chin area. This is gonna help open my pores and make treatment very effective. Now I have here a clean toothbrush, so I'm just gonna put it in the paste and start brushing my nose. Now mind you, you should be very gentle or else it's gonna irritate the skin. And make sure the toothbrush is on the softer side. Now you should do this gently in a circular motion. And be mindful of your eyes, because you know the toothpaste is gonna burn. Now this treatment is really gonna help open up your pores and get rid of whiteheads. It prevents and gets rid of acne. It will give you the glossy and natural glow that you desire. So after brushing, I'm just gonna leave it on for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'm just gonna wash it off with lukewarm water. Afterwards, I'm gonna come in with a natural oil and just massage it around the area. After washing it off, you are gonna feel that, instant freshness. The results are evident instantly. You are gonna realize that it has unclogged all your blocked pores. And the unwanted white lipids, which usually show around your nose area and around your chin area, is all gone. So you can do this treatment for about 3 times in a week, and you are really gonna see great improvement. Okay guys, so this is it. This is an easy, inexpensive kind of treatment, but it gives very effective results. I hope you are gonna give this a try, and if you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button right now. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends, and don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Until next time, I'm gonna see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.